how to make a withdrawal. So to withdraw your available funds, head over to global.mytaurex.com, head over to your wallet, and then click on withdrawals here. And it's very, very easy. Just have to follow the steps. So you want to select the wallet currency you currently got. So I've got dollars and the amount you wish to withdraw. Then you need to click submit request. Now when that happens, you're going to get a little blue box that pops up that says that your attention is required. Please click here. And when you click that, there's a pop-up that comes up, and you can then select the payment method that you've got set up here to withdraw your funds. Now remember, for crypto wallets, select the SY Crypto for the Seychelles entity. For e-wallets, bank transfers, credit cards, select the SY non-crypto. Then you want to click confirm and submit. Now just remember, you may need to verify your payment method and provide proof of ownership if it's not already verified. Withdrawals are executed within 24 hours, but some payment methods such as bank transfers or credit cards may take up to 7 business days. You'll receive a confirmation email with the withdrawal details, and if you don't see it, make sure you check your spam and junk folders. And for any issues on this, contact our support team for assistance.